Hello and welcome to another episode of The Melt Show. I'm your host, Max. That is Max there. He is me. At the end of the previous video, I concluded that one of my carburetors was completely toast, because it was. Fortunately, I was able to snag an entire new rack of carburetors off of eBay. Let me tell you, these are so much nicer. My bike has over 40,000 miles on the odometer, and it shows. These new carburetors are still shiny. I am in heaven. Anyway, you've seen this process before. I will tear down these new carbs and pick up where we left off last time. With the jets removed and carbs separated, it's time to remove the needle and slide. Remove the two screws on top and the top cap will pop off, or it will with a little encouragement. You need to remove this 7mm bolt from the slide arm. I didn't bother bending the tab back for the other three carbs. I could unbolt it just fine. I like to put everything back on the linkage arm in the same order that it was installed. It's tidy. Last time I forgot to show how to remove the needle jet holder, aka the emulsion tube or atomizer. Use a piece of wood like a dowel or chopstick to push them out. You don't want to bend the brass. Remove the air screw here and tap out the spring. I really wanted to clean the choke and choke levers because they were beginning to rust. The lever varies depending on which carb you're working on, but for carb 1, an 11mm wrench takes off the nut. The screws holding on the choke plate are split open on the other side to keep them from backing out, but they're a soft metal and come out easily enough. When those go back in, I'll use Loctite to keep them in place. With that, it's time to tidy up and turn out the lights for the night. By the next video, I'll have all 4 carburetors and their components cleaned, polished, and ready to go back together. Thanks for watching.